Yo, morning. Good morning. Alright, we're about to go live pretty soon. Opens up in 3.5 minutes, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start charting live. So typical stuff I look for is the previous day breaks. So I'm gonna chart some of the main guys just to make sure I got my pulse on the market here. I want to see how things are moving relative to Q and SPY. You know, if everything's tanking, I don't want to be thinking about going long and vice versa. So I'm looking at just charting and just making sure that... Yo, there he is. What up, big fella? I was just texting you, actually. Oh, there you go. What's up, dog? How you doing? How's the week been, man? I was just trying to get a little update on you. I'm good, dude. I just starting now, a little bit late, but you know, I started messing with these individual equities a little bit more these days. Just the main guys, really. And just when Q and SPY and IWM are just chopping, I'm just kind of watching these, and it's been going really good, actually. Just been doing previous day breaks for the most part, and it's been going pretty good, not gonna lie. Going pretty good. I took this one yesterday. I took Google while I was on the road, and it worked out fucking sick, dude. Beautiful retest right here. Just clean. Just so clean. But I've just been doing a little bit of that when SPY and Q is ugly. So charting them again as I used to, but when I did it before, I was just pretty shit compared to now. So it helped a lot just training on the Q and SPY over the last like 8 months. That's about it, dog. What are you thinking? We got a gap up here, and it's kind of ugly. I don't know. Nasty gap up with NVDA, I guess, right? We got NVDA earnings yesterday. So see what happens, I guess. I'm watching Google because it's super weak. And we'll see what the NASDAQ does. Have you traded yet? You're probably all over it, eh? I hate these big gap up mornings. I'm not gonna lie. Fucking hate them. Just makes it difficult. These gap ups make it difficult. Oof, PLTR is going. Market's open. NVIDIA had a big day yesterday, obviously. NVIDIA had a massive day. So this is what caused the gap up, is this big NVIDIA earnings. Look at this shit. Went up like 25 bucks a share. So NVIDIA had a massive day. IWM, I'm not touching it until it leaves this area. Yo, do you trade IWM, by the way? I don't think I saw you trade IWM. I know you don't trade MES, right? IWM's pretty good. I like IWM to the downside a lot. It's just a fucking shitty penny stock ETF. So I always like it to the downside way more. Alright, so we're looking weak to start the day. It's going to be all about this previous day high retest, I think. Ooh. Yeah, things are tanking. Things are tanking, man. Bro, I think you might be right. It's looking weak. It's looking very weak. So we got Q underneath pre-market low so far. So far Q underneath pre-market low. SPY is right at previous day high. So I think SPY underneath previous day high makes sense. SPY holding so far. Previous day high, SPY holding. Alright, so SPY trying to hold that previous day high. SPY attempting to hold previous day high. Massive wick. Massive wick on SPY. Look at that wick on SPY on the 15-minute. So that's holding PDH. Big time. So there is no short right now. Morning. How you doing, Allie? How are you? Yeah, it's a little choppy, not gonna lie. IWM is disgusting. There's nothing in IWM for me. SPY is holding PDH, so now right back in between pre-market range. Gotta just see how this thing plays out. I'm really not a fan of gap up mornings. Really not a fan. The video going. The video is going. Pretty much boosting the market right now on its own. NVIDIA is really strong. So definitely no shorts right now. Absolutely no shorts. SPY's holding PDH. EMAs are still bearish. Looking like this 15 is going to be a big doji on Qs. Just a big doji. Just an indecision candle. So quite ugly. Quite ugly to start. IWM right in the middle of the range. SPY did a really nice PDH retest, but a little quick. Wow, we're surging. We are surging. SPY PDH was perfect. So looking at SPY longs. Perfect hold of that PDH. Look at that PDH hold. Wow. Crazy. I want a dip. I'm looking for a dip. Come on, don't just go to pre-market high without me, please. Come on down. So I'm going to do a starter pretty soon. Maybe at this 200. It seems like a good spot. See if she holds. Then my stop will be below the EMAs. And I'll be looking to go up to pre-market high. So here's that 200 retest. I want to see a hold. I want to see this thing hold or I'm not touching it. Oh man, look at that dip, hey? Wow. Wow, what a dip. Alright, well, I don't know. It's kind of gross now, isn't it? I don't think that holds even. That's nasty. EMAs are pretty flat too. I wanted this 200 to hold, but it's not holding, so nothing yet. That's a really ugly dip, so I'm just gonna wait. Waiting for now. Like what this should have done is a nice slow retest into that 200. That's a slam down. Yeah, good no long. Good job there. Good job no long. Brutal. Brutal. Look at that. Just brutal. So PDH held, but I mean like that's just disgusting. Oh my goodness. Hideous price action. Very evident it's going to be not very clean for a bit. It's not going to be very clean for a bit. You can just see it. You can just see it. It's just not going to be very clean. It is very choppy out here, guys. Very choppy. Not a fan. The best long today was this previous day high MES. That was the best one. Besides that, it's just been trash. It's been absolute trash today. So very clearly, you gotta wait another 4 minutes here. Not even 3.5 minutes, and just see this 10 a.m. reaction. Till then, I'm not gonna touch anything. Let's see what happens. Let the true direction come in. So far, there is no true direction. It's literally sideways. It's literally sideways. No rush at all. Zero rush for me. Horrendous, hey? Just horrendous action. Is it 10 yet? Almost. There it is. 10. Boom. Get a reaction here. Let's get that reaction out of the way. Another good watch, I think, would be IWM previous day low. Watching that because IWM looks pretty weak, closest to previous day low out of the three. So watching IWM, I got an alert set for this zone that I have. Besides that, though, I mean, SPY and Q is sideways, so there's nothing there. Oh, very nice. All right. That was nice. IWM might be setting up here. IWM setting up. Alright, so that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at IWM here. IWM is very weak. So I want to see a break of the zone right here. Yeah, that was a nice PLTR. I had a PLTR long off of this big zone. That was a really nice long. PLTR long right off this zone. Still could be setting up for a longer move. Massive move on PLTR. So what are you guys thinking here? If you guys are still on, what are you thinking? Everything is just kind of gross. I mean, IWM is the only one. Kind of watching this next. So what are you guys thinking? What are we looking at? I like IWM personally. Personally, IWM is looking like it's gonna set up. So IWM, top watch. I honestly don't think I'm going to be trading SPY or Q today. Look at the EMAs, they're flat. They're completely flat. Mike, what's up, brother? How you doing? Yeah, I got one trade in me. I took PLTR. PLTR. Not even too late for PLTR, really. Setting up. It could be setting up for a bigger move. I got 2R and I got out of there quick. It was just like it was literally like a 15-second trade right off this big zone. We got a nice confirmation on the 15. And then I literally scalped it right here, right to the highs. Gave me like 2.5R almost. Really good long. But it looks like it's setting up potentially just for more. I don't think I'm going to participate again. It looks really good though. It looks like it could be really good. CRM is sick too. Microsoft. What's Microsoft doing? I'm not even watching that one. Let's see. Ooh, damn. Clean. Clean. Wow, nice. Well, glad I kept my long term. What happened there? Like, where'd you get in? And why did you get out is the question. Where'd you get in and why'd you get out? Yeah, PLTR is going to do it, I feel. I feel like PLTR is going to do it. Started dropping with the Nas, so I bailed. Yeah, fuck. I hate watching the Nasdaq. Like it's smart to watch the Nasdaq when you're in a position for sure, but it's just like I feel like you can get faked out so easily. It's happened so many times. I guess you just gotta notice, like if we're choppy, I would put less emphasis on Q and SPY holding weight. You know, if it's choppy the way it is today, I wouldn't look at it as hard as you did today, maybe, right? Because like if we're choppy, any big move down is likely going to get brought right back up. So yeah, just something to bring into the lessons, you know, like if it's choppy, don't put as much emphasis on that. But if it's clear, then yeah, obviously don't go long if the market's tanking clearly. But if it's choppy, I wouldn't look at it as much, right? Clearly just shitty action today on the indices. PLTR is probably going to do it. Really nice curl off this zone. I'm not going to get back in, but damn, that looks nice. SPY looks like it wants to go. SPY looks like it wants to go. Watching SPY here for a potential long. Waiting for a second. This thing needs to hold. Okay. Pretty quick here. Waiting. Alright, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try some small SPY. Alright, let's see if we can make it back to pre-market high. Good start. I mean, we're above previous day high, so clearly it's holding all day, compressed. And now we're breaking out of this little triangle here, so worth a try. Gotta hold these EMAs. Gotta hold these EMAs. There's a good start. It's just choppy, but it looks okay. Just needs to move now. Let's go. Oh, new highs very slowly. Looking good, looking strong. I mean, like, minus these wicks, I think just once it starts moving, it's gonna go. It just needs that momentum now. It just needs to like get that real push going. But so far it's good. We just need to like surpass these highs. Need to get past these highs here. Clearly a lot of selling going on here. A lot of stuffs, but I mean, like, it's looking okay. We've seen this pattern before. This is not an old pattern. It's like a very old pattern. We've seen it all the time, so we just need this thing to move now. See you next time. First scale spots be right here. Microsoft, Mike. Microsoft, damn. I know, it sucks, man. That does suck. I was watching CRM too. Did you see CRM? Look at this. I just never really got a pullback, but CRM, like, I wanted a deeper pullback into this 13 and a hold, and I wanted CRM, but so nice. Ooh, SPY, there we go, baby. Nice, new highs, there we go. All right, perfect. I'm gonna wait a little bit till I de-risk some. I'm gonna take half off right here. I need that alarm to go off though. Till it does, not taking anything off. What's happening with AVGO? Ooh, a little choppier, but it looks like it's moving now. Bit choppy here. This section's kind of gross, but yeah, for sure. Come on, SPY. One more push so I can de-risk half. Mike, you in SPY too or no? It's a nice curl. EMAs are starting to sort themselves out. Welcome, Chris. Not sure if you're on the live stream, Chris, but welcome to the Cord. Need one more big push on SPY and then I'll take off half. Let's get one more push. Let's go. Need that 13 to hold. You added? Yeah, I'm not getting out. I'm not stopped out. I'm not stopped out yet. I'm just waiting. It's just a choppy day, right? So I gotta expect these sort of moves to happen. If it gets around like pretty much my stop zone around here, then maybe I'll stop out there, but for now I expect this kind of move based on this action here, but could be wrong. Let's see. They got added, so that's good. Lock 3 accounts already? Nice, dude. Very nice. I don't know if that's a nice thing. Was that a good thing? Or was that max loss? Hopefully not max loss. So ideally it just curls off this 13 now. I don't want to see us fail back below the 13. I sized for more volatility. Less contracts, more size. Like, I mean, more room. So we'll see. Ideally, we don't fail back below this 13. I don't want to see us fail back below the 13. Not sure if it's too late to add, but I would like to add. Potentially. I got room. I sized for this, so see what this candle does here. If this flips green, I'm going to add another contract. Let's see some wickage. Let's see some wickage. Alright, I'm adding another one right here. Adding one more right here. Beautiful, man. Let's go. Good ad. Good ad right at that 13. I like that ad a lot. Now if we can blast through these highs, I think we hit my first target right here. Let's see. I think that's a really nice curl. I think the read on previous choppiness throughout the day, smaller size, wider risk, I think that was a good read. Allows me to be maneuverable and add potentially right here, get a better average. So I like that, man. I like that so far. Now, if we can just pass these highs with some conviction, I think we hit the first TP right here. And then second TP will be underneath that pre-market high. Let's go, man. That's looking good. There we go. There we go. Let's go, man. Beautiful ad right here, man. Beautiful ad right here at that 13 EMA. Hell yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Taking one off right here. So I de-risked a little bit. Nice. Did you get in at that 13? Because that was the best spot. The 13 EMA right here was the best spot. Where I added, I feel like that was the best spot. Yeah, targeting. I'm going to be targeting this upper zone right here. So, by the way this looks, should hit it. We'll see. I took some off right here at this high. Took a little bit off at that high. I think like underneath here is going to be my stop. If we get underneath here, it's going to be my stop. Like, these candles are just so nasty, hey? Like, it's still all intact. Everything's fine, but I mean, this is just not clean. Just ugly candles on the way down. Just these slam down candles, like, it's just always just ugly slam down candles. It's not something you want to see. You want to see nice, slow, controlled candles, not these nasty slam down candles. But everything's still intact, so nothing you could do. It's just noise right now. It's all noise. Alright, come on, you chop fast. Let's go. Let's go. One more push. It's like delivering a baby. One more push. Come on. One more push. And then we're there. Still above these highs, which is good. These are the big highs we got to stay above, really. Don't like how we closed into them, but I mean, as long as this curls up, just has to do it soon. IWM, what a range, hey? What a range on IWM. Set alerts and forget about IWM. Alright, bathroom break. Maybe when I'm back, this thing will be set up. Come on, Spy, you can do it. See if this whole 13 holds for us again. Spy still looks healthy, nothing wrong with it. It's just these ugly candles right here, but I mean, like, it's still fine. We've seen this before. We've seen this compression squeeze. We've seen this before. It gets tighter, choppy, tighter, 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 and then bang, picks a direction, and it has the curl, choppy on the way up. I've seen it so many times, even like with these slam down candles. So many times, even if it comes down here, it could still curl all the way up. But we see. What we doing, folks? You guys still in here? INTC long. Could be for sure. Which one else? Meta? Ooh. Scary. Ah, there we go, SPY. Let's go. There we go, man. Good patience. Good patience, man. Smaller size, wider risk based on the environment. There we go. There we go. Oh, hell yeah, man. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. Let's go. There we go. There's that pop. Let's go. One more. One more and we de-risk. Beautiful stuff, man. Alright, I'm looking to take off one more right here. There we go. Out one more. So now I got 1/3 left and I'm not letting this thing go red on me. No more red. So I'm gonna start trailing this a bit tighter. I want to hit pre-market high, so I'm gonna aim for, like, let's see where this high is here. We dropped off, gap. Okay, so we got a little bit of a gap here. So I'm gonna be aiming for right here. I'm gonna be aiming for right here. That's gonna be what I'm aiming for. Mike, why is the meta long setting up? What's happening on meta? It looks pretty bad, dude. I think. I mean, just because it gave up this whole push, it gave up the whole move. But I also don't play this sort of strategy, so I'm not sure. But to me, it looks weak.
This is 189.
Let's go, one more push and we hit that 2R and we're done. Good patience, good read on the market. Wider stop, smaller size, re-adding on those 13 dips. Beautiful stuff, man. Beautiful stuff. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know. Like me personally, man. Like I absolutely hate buying knives. You know, like just seems so sketchy. Like look at the drop off. $18 drop off. Like of course it could bounce, and it's like it's oversold. It looks like, right? But it also looked extremely weak. It's red on the day. Extremely weak. I don't know. Don't take my advice because this is not my sort of strategy at all. I don't look to trade this strategy, but that's scary for me, man. Buying falling knives is to me scary. I've been burned the worst doing that. But I mean, if that's your strategy, you got a strategy for that. All power to you, man. I just don't know. I just play momentum like this. Seems more readable, you know. It was up almost 1.5%. Yeah. I just like go with momentum, man. It just feels more predictable, you know? Go with the strength. So my runner here is break even. If it gets tagged, it gets tagged. If not, so be it. Whatever it be now. It's all free. I've taken most of the position off, so it is what it is. And that was a beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade on an ugly ass day. So happy with that. Alright, so that's it for me today. Manage this however you want if you're in this SPY, but for me, break even on the rest. And I'm looking for this move right here. I'm looking for gap fill. There's a bit of a gap here on the left hand side, right here. So I'm watching for gap fill. If I can get it, cool. If not, cool. All good. Alright guys, thank you for joining and being on with me. Makes it way more fun. And I'll be back at it for tomorrow, Friday. Let's end strong. Alright guys, peace.